Welcome to DC Vibe Station, guys. It is the January 15th in Edmonton. It is about minus 41 with the wind chill. It is freezing out here. And as you guys can see, my beard is frozen too. Is that gross? That's how cold it is. It is a beautiful day out, but not so nice. It is cold. However, it is t-shirt weather for some people. So we thought it's fun to do something like this. Anyway, I've seen people do it. What they do is they take a pot of boiled water and throw it up in the air, and it'll freeze before it hit the ground. Anyway, I've seen people do it. It seems fun. And anyway, I'm freezing out here. People are looking at me funny. You know, not every day you see a guy with a camera stick pointing to his face, right? So anyway, I'm not shy. So let's go try this. See you in the next clip. Bye.
Cody's brothers, my guys. Know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep well by my side. CJ Ike, now I gotta ride or die.